So good morning on this beautiful day. I think the summer starts now. Yes. So next project. Here is a chicken house. It's a really nice chicken house with a lot of floors. They have a downstairs floor, they have the first floor, and they have the second floor. But so as you see, this door is in, and they're still escaping. So you have to make here a new door. I start with this one. And now I can use this door. Take this one out, and the old door there is it's lying in the garage, but it needs a lot of restoration. But it's except fixed for here. So that well, then this is useless. So I can this for the chicken house, and I will show you the other door later because it's very beautiful, very old door. Okay, I'm going to start. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you. Needs some work, but we can fix that. I'm taking now a better look of the door. Yeah, and it is really just with nails. If I take this out and restore it, yeah, I think it is not worth it. Yeah, we can use it for something else. And I just still have some wood what I use for the stable door. So yeah, I'm going to use that and put this back in. Yeah, I think that's a better idea. Okay, let's do that. So this is what I found. Also what I can use for the chicken door. So okay, now I'm doing the same process. So first get the nails out, then make it on the right size, then put it in the, clean it a little bit and put it in the treatment. Then sun dust, and then you can put everything together, and then as last put it in the oil. So okay, there we go. So I took the door out, and I make this first, so that the chickens cannot get under. Big stone in there. And first I'm going to make a frame here, because it's a little ribbling. So then I put it from here to the wall, that the ribbling is out, and maybe I can connect it to that little tree. Okay, let's go. So now I made this one, but now we have to put it on here. Okay, I have an idea, but first yeah, let's see what we can find. Yes, I found something what I can use. So if I take this, put it above, middle, and on the end, then it is strong, and you can make it totally straight. So okay, I think that could work. So let's do it. So there it is. So now it's totally in one line. Of course, else it was difficult to make it nice and straight. So you can choose, of course, to make a hole here so that it falls into the wood. And you can also choose to buy what you first can screw in the wood and then screw on the pole. But yeah, that's I use what I can find, and I'm okay with this. So now I can put the top to the wall, and then I know exactly the measurements for the door. Okay. So now dit come on here, but on this side we have a little problem. It's not really straight. So I'm going to make a metal strip from this plate that I found, and make yeah, how do you say it? A strip when I bend, and then I can put it on the wood and on the wall, and then it will be strong enough. It doesn't have to carry a thing, but it needs to be on its place. Okay. So now this is on. So I'm making from the plate that I found some metal connection, because you see it was quite I can fill it up later, but now it's okay. So now I can decide the size of the door. So okay, let's start with the door. So I thought do first one to see exactly, because yeah, it is all not straight. So here it is above, it's like this. So this is now straight, but here it is against. So I have to make a good drawing of that. And here it's two different sizes. So yeah, I have to make a good drawing with the right sizes, then it doesn't go wrong. Okay. So there we are. So I had now the good size to make the door. So it is now all sand tested. And this is the back. So then I can put it 2 times in the oil, and then can put it together. All right. This is the front. So already put to give an idea. So can you imagine when it is in the oil? Because very beautiful wood. Okay. Very excited to put it in the oil. Okay, see you later. finished the chicken door. So yeah, also I have to say, not bad at all. I will show you. Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da. There it is. So that was the old one. And this is the new one. I changed the top a little bit because it didn't did what I wanted. So I made it like this. So then the wibbling is totally out. So you can open it can open to the inside and not to the outside. So to this side can open because there is the wall and you have this. So okay, I'm going to finish it, take this one off, and then because it's too sharp, and looking for something to close it. And yeah, I'm quite happy with it. Alright, see you later. And here we have Adam, almost ready with his project, eh? That was quite a project.
It was quite a project.
What happened?
So this wall's obviously fallen down a very long time ago based on how deep all of the rock was in the ground. Same with the wall over there. We don't know whether it was happened during a battle or something. Some of those smashed headstones are pretty extreme. So basically my job was to build it up as best I could so that we could then fit a gate in here, fence off the whole thing so that this rose garden is completely goat proof, which is
yes, that was a problem, eh?
So yeah, with a few nice touches with the stone lines.
Yeah,
but the uprights are just in now.
It's amazing what you did.
Finished, yeah, the gate. But yeah, I think it's turned out okay.
Yeah, it's really nice. Great job. Great job. Wow. Heavy, eh?
I expected
I held with a couple of stones and I was like, oh my goodness.
Yeah, hefty stuff.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's nice to be able to use all the stuff that was originally from the wall, you know. So yeah, real mismatch. You can't really see some of the ones. These black ones under here are actually from
the original
fire damaged.
Oh, fire damage.
So yeah, so they're black all the way through actually.
Oh.
So you can see similar bits to like these ones.
Ah, this is just from the fire.
Different. Yeah. So this is from the fire. So it was nice to get a few of them in there as well.
Yes.
To seal the history of the chateau in the wall. Yeah.
So, because you're also on the work away program, eh?
Yeah. So moving on to the next place tomorrow. So it was nice to get this done, but on my way back up the country, I'll come and stay here again.
To do some other jobs.
A few more projects that I got lined up for me.
Yeah, it's enough to do, eh? I saw it.
Yeah.
That's great that they have you, and yeah, amazing job. So I think they are really glad with you.
Yeah.
I'm sure they do. Okay,
so
and maybe we see again, eh?
Yeah.
You never know. Yeah. He turned out also a good tango dancer. So.
Oh well, I'll let you guys be the judge of that.
No, I'm honest, really. I mean it. So,
it was great fun, actually.
Yeah.
I really enjoyed it. So.
Okay.
But yeah, slightly disappointed not to be at your next session on Sundays that you're doing.
Yeah, maybe. So, and else you never know.
Never know. Next time, further on down the road.
We'll see you next time.
More tango. Brilliant.